main one.
Okay, got it. I made it more fun. Well, thank you very much, but that's not what I did.
What do you want to tell me?
During district schoolwork, my other job, part is a part of when I am a part of it.
Oh, okay.
Okay? So I make sure this coffee down, going to go down since before the school year.
Okay. Alright guys, so it's another day. It's another nail refill day. These are the nails that you guys saw before. Right? I got to refill. It's been 3 weeks, so I'm going to refill them. I don't know what color I'm doing. I'm thinking about doing like a sea foam green type of color. So I was thinking about doing this one from Benelisa, which is 1603. But this is what it looks like. You guys see? So I'm doing this color, but it's kind of more neon-y. My nails are stained, by the way. They got stained, so I think this one is probably more along the lines of what I'm wanting to do. I can do this one. So maybe I might do this one. Hi, baby. Come here. Alright guys, this is the refill fresh. I think I'm going to start going to another maybe location, or maybe I might see another girl. I don't know. I just haven't been, the last 2 times I just haven't been overall satisfied. But I like to do acrylic nails. I don't like to do gel or bio gel. I just like to do acrylic. I'm just old school like that, but I think next time I'm just gonna go see someone else, or just go to a new salon. I don't know. I like staying with one girl just because, you know, it's better that way. They know what you like and everything like that. But like I said, I just haven't been overall satisfied the last 2 times that I went. So I think I'm just gonna maybe go somewhere else. Anyways, I think I know what color I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do a dark plummy color, but I'm gonna paint them tomorrow because it's kind of late right now and I just want to relax and unwind. So I'll show you guys my nails when I paint them.